All right, let's look at number 5, 6, and 7. Number 5, what is the equation of the line? Now look at your answer choices. All of these answer choices are in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So that means I need to know m and I need to know b. Well, if I look at my y-intercept first, that's this point right here. Where is that on the y-axis? It is at -1. So look at my answer choices. Do they have a y-intercept of -1? All of them except A do. So A is wrong because it says +1. Now I need to find the slope. Now look at the line. Remember Mr. Slope Guy? This is positive, this is negative. His nose is undefined and his mouth is 0. So is that positive or negative? It's positive, so look at my answer choices. This is a negative slope, so it's not B. So it's either C or D. Now I need to count my rise and my run. My rise is 1 and my run is 3. That is 1 over 3. Rise over run. So the answer is C. Number 6, what is the domain? Domain, what is domain? Domain is X. So I'm going to cross out A and C because they say Y. So that's impossible. Now, if I'm looking for X, I'm looking on the X-axis. So where is this? This is at -2, and where is this? This is at 6. So it goes from -2 to 6. So now I'm choosing between D and E. Now notice the difference. If there is an open circle, that means it should be less than. If there is a closed circle, that means it should be less than or equal to. So, because there is an open circle right here, that means where the -2 is, there should be a less than symbol. Which one of these has a less than? D. D would be the correct answer. Number 7. I'm going to go to the next page for number 7. Okay, so number 7 says, which linear function will have a rate of change of 2 over 3? That is the slope. Rate of change is slope. So it's saying, when is the m 2 over 3? Letter A says, a function whose graph is a line that contains 6, 10, and 10, 12. Well, that's really easy. How do I find the slope from 2 points? I plug it into the formula. So, 12 minus 10 over 10 minus 6 is 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2. Is that the slope I was supposed to get? No. So it is not A. Letter B says 3x minus 2y equals 12. How do I find the slope from here? I need to put it in slope-intercept form. So that means I need to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. So negative 2y equals negative 3x plus 12. Now I divide by negative 2, and I get y equals. Now look at this. This is a negative divided by a negative, which gives me a positive 3 over 2x. This is a positive divided by a negative, which is going to be a negative 6. Now, which one of those is the slope? The yellow or the purple? The yellow. The yellow is 3 over 2. That is the slope. That is m. Is that my slope I was supposed to get? No. So B is not correct. So let's try C. Again, we're trying to get an m of 2/3. C says 2x minus 3y equals 9. Again, I need to get y by itself. If you have an equation in standard form, which is what this is, and you need to find slope, you need to put it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to minus 2x, negative 3y equals negative 2x plus 9, divide by negative 3, y equals, again, this is a negative divided by a negative. That is a positive 2 over 3x. And this is a positive divided by a negative, which is a negative 3. Again, which one of those is the slope? The yellow is the slope. That is the correct slope, so C would be the correct answer. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do D just for the sake of practice. So you have the point 3, 0 and 0, 2. Those are just 2 points. You're going to use the formula. Again, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So I've got my boxes. y2 is 2, minus y1 is 0, x2 is 0, minus x1 is 3, 2 minus 0 is 2, 0 minus 3 is negative 3. So if you divide this on your calculator, 2 divided by negative 3, and convert it back to a fraction, you're going to get negative 2/3, which is wrong, as we suspected.